Hello everybody, my name is Reno King and this is my worldwide headquarters, Armour Koating and Mid-Tenn Designs. Today we're going to showcase one of our products. It's a 30x60 Rotary Fabrication table. It's a pretty awesome setup, revolving top. I'm just going to hit some of the key points and then I'm going to show you what all it does. But it has a revolving top, pivots and locks in 5-degree increments. All 1/4-inch steel construction, 5/8 holes on 2-inch centers. Working height is around 32.5 and 34.5 depending on the leveling feet, and it all has heavy-duty leveling feet on each side, so you can level it up just about any type of shop. We base it on a black, a super matte black powder coating, and for an extra fee, we can color the accents any color you want them, and it's a stainless steel trim. So right now I'm going to show you the increments and how easy this is. We also have this is a ground locking tab right here, so you just put your ground on here and it doesn't mess with any of your rotary system. You just pull and twist, lock it out. And on this side, you just pull and twist to lock it out, and then the table will rotate in 5-degree increments, and it can go any which way, left or right, upside down. You can actually lock it straight vertical on each side. So this gives you the ability to lock anything down and weld from any comfortable position. It's a really great option. So check it out. We'll be offering these here pretty soon on our website, but you can order them now through Armour Coating or Hammer Concepts and Designs. Hammer Concepts and Designs is the company that designs all of these. Armour Coating and Mid-Tenn Designs manufactures and distributes them. So thank you guys, and we appreciate it, and I hope you like the new table.